everybody, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, please follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram, and we'll just get into it. So today we're gonna do Boxycharm, of course, the classic on this channel. Got a thick box this month, so let's just go ahead and open it up. And we see the theme is invite only. And then we have some paper in the box this time instead of like the foam or the bubble wrap. But the first thing I see is this is a makeup brush cleanser by BODYOGRAPHY Pro. And it is $19, so I actually need a brush cleaner. I don't know how the spray kind works. Like, do you spray it on the brush and then like do the little swishy thing? I don't know. Doesn't say. Maybe it says on here. Spray directly on the brush hair and gently wipe on a paper towel. Okay. Sparingly so as not to soak the brush hair. For deeper cleaning, work cleanser into brush hair and rinse in cool water only. Squeeze excess water and lay brush flat dry. Okay, maybe we'll test this at the end. The next thing in the box is this, and this is a foaming body scrub, which is actually really nice because I am in need of a body scrub. I just ran out. This is by GREENGRASS Skincare, inspired by India, and the fragrance is Cardamom Lavender. The notes are bergamot, lemon, cardamom, lavender, coffee, geranium, rose, amber, balsam, and patchouli. So it actually sounds pretty good. And it's $24. The only thing is I go through body scrubs pretty easily because I had KP, so I have to really exfoliate my skin, but it's whatever. It smells really good. It smells like clean. Next thing in the box is this, and this is by Glow on Fifth Beauty, refresh and reset brightening mud mask. So I'm really glad it's a mud mask. I'm not a huge fan of sheet masks. I like wash off masks. And how much are you? $30. Actually not bad, honestly, for a mask. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and phthalate-free for all skin types. Oh, it comes with a little like spatula thing. That'll honestly be really nice. So obviously I'm not gonna use this. I already have makeup on. But oh, it's like a yellowy color, like a mustard almost. It smells like a clay mask, so it looks really smooth, so I'll have to test that out. The next thing in the box is this, which is finally something that we can use. There isn't a whole lot of makeup in this box this month, so this is the TRÈSTIQUE foundation stick. Oh, apparently it's refillable. Foundation plus blender in a forever case. So that's really nice that it's refillable, and it's $30. Medium finish. Looks like it might be a little dewy because it says it has hyaluronic acid in it, which is good for like dry skin. A built-in sponge applies foundation seamlessly. The foundation case is recyclable and refillable. That's cool. I don't really wear foundation, as you guys know, but test it out. It's medium coverage, so it looks like a little crayon. I got the shade Tenerife Natural. I think if you take off the top, that's where the foundation stick is. Let's just see how much product is in here. Oh. For $30, you only get that much. I don't know how I feel about that. And then I think on the bottom, yeah, that's the sponge. Can you take it out? No, you can't take it out. Should we use a sponge? Oh, you can take it out. You can take this out, I guess. Like maybe to get like a new one. But you can't take the sponge itself out to like clean it or whatever. One half of the face with the applicator and the other half with the brush. I'm actually going to not do this in sections just because it's kind of a pain in the ass to have to like rotate it and stuff. And this is medium coverage, so I don't expect it to be like super crazy or anything. I definitely prefer the side with the brush. I think the sponge or like the included applicator did absolutely nothing. I wouldn't say it's medium coverage, I would definitely say it's light coverage because it kind of doesn't look like I'm wearing anything at all, which is kind of annoying. So yeah. The last thing in the box is this. This is the Primrose and Cream Lip and Cheek Cream Palette by SERAPHINE Botanicals. And it is $42. I think that's the most expensive thing on here. Yep. I'm honestly really excited for this one because I've been wanting more cream blushes. Apparently you can use it on the lips too, which I had a lip planned out, but maybe we'll put something on the lip from here instead. Oh, interesting. So they're like super matte and they look like they're powder. Oh, okay. Interesting. Ooh, I love this color. Been looking for red. Oh, they're kind of like slippy. Almost like they're really shiny. Looks like they blend out pretty well too. Okay, I think we'll go in with. I want to use the shade because so maybe I'll do that. Yeah, sure. I'm just gonna go in with my finger. I'm just gonna go for it, I guess. I might have put too much on this side. Oh, I definitely put too much. Oops. Although it is blending out pretty well, so that's good. Okay. I'll go a little easier on this side. Not bad. It's a little patchy, but that might be because of the foundation and not the product. It looks okay on this side, but that might be because that's where all my freckles are, so they can kind of like mask any patchiness. Yeah, it's a little patchy right here. I can't seem to blend it out to fix it. Like it kind of just goes away. Maybe if I used a brush. But yeah, let me put this on my lips. I think I'll do this shade right here, which is, it doesn't say the shades on the package, but it says them on the box, which is dumb because I'm gonna throw the box away. Brown butter, so it's brown butter, rosy pink, and deep rose. I'm gonna take brown butter and put that on my lips. I mean, I do have some like dry patches on my lips right now, and I didn't like use any like liner or anything. So maybe, I don't know. I'm sure this would be really pretty like in the middle of the lips. But yeah, I finished the rest of my makeup. Let me try something before I forget. So I'm gonna take this brush. This is the this is like my go-to blending brush. I don't have a paper towel, but I do have a washcloth, so we're gonna try that. So it says to spray it. Oh, okay, we're gonna do this down below. You can't see it, but. And then wipe on a paper towel. Oh, okay, wait. Wait, that actually worked. I don't know why I was expecting it to not work, but wow. Okay. And it's not like super soaked either, so that you can almost use it right away. So, wow, okay. So that works. So the total is $145. Paying $25, $26, whatever. So yeah, it's a good deal. I didn't get to try the two products. I didn't get to try the mask and the scrub, but I'm sure they'll be good. I'll try them at some point. I'll be taking a shower later today, so I'll try this, and then I might try this also. So maybe I will put in a little thing saying whether I liked it or not right here. If not, then whatever. But I think overall this was a good box. It just didn't have a lot of stuff that I could actually try. But that's the video, guys. I hope you like it. If oh my gosh. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Please follow me on my socials. They'll be down in the description, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.